This short video provides a demonstration of the real-time cleanse, match, merge data flow for custom objects supported by ClearMDM. To start the demo, quickly have a look at the object model here in the demo org. We can see there we're starting with account. Accounts have suppliers through a lookup relationship. Suppliers are involved in a hierarchical master detail relationship here from parent to child to grandchild, and those master details are non-reparentable in type. So we're actually going to show the real-time process for our supplier custom object. So we can see that the records that we'll use here, we've got BioIntegris and BioIntegris LLC look pretty similar. Suppliers, if we open one up, I can see a blank MDM status, a blank matching date, etc. And also some blank cleanse output type fields here as well, the last address, cleanse date, and so forth. To initiate the cleanse match merge data flow, I'm simply going to change the processing priority to immediate. That's the simplest way to do this for this type of demonstration. Other ways to initiate the data flow could be if a functional field changes, maybe the street or the city or the country. Or it could also be initiated through Lightning Flow or a platform event as well. But for this demo, we'll use the processing priority. We'll set that to immediate, save the record. And what will happen now is the record will be cleansed through whichever global data provider has been connected. Or could be multiple. We could be using one for email, one for address. And those data providers could be doing cleansing, enrichment, verification type services as well. All right, so let me refresh the record. You can see immediately now this BioIntegris supplier has become the master. You can see there that the LLC record is the duplicate. I can see that if we look in the lineage, you can see that the merge events. You can see that any data changes that have taken place here. And if we jump back to the record itself, you can see there the latitude, longitude, the geolocation data, the quality indicators, and so forth have been returned. And those values can play a part in the merge logic also. So in this case, we've got a poor quality address response. So we may choose to downgrade or deprioritize this address when we're merging data. But maybe if we had good, excellent type of address quality, then we'd use those indicators to prioritize those values when it comes to populating the master record.